Chapter 2, Scratch. What is Scratch? So Scratch is a free programming language. It is free to all and online community where you can create your own interactive stories, games and animations. So Scratch software was designed for fun and it is free to all. It is an educational software, easy to use and learn. It has some tools. By using available tools there and blocks there, you can create interactive stories, games and animations. Anyone can program. Just visit the site www.scratch.mit.edu and you can program there by using the block based programming. Just go to the site and you can create there your own project like stories, games and animations also. What are the components of Scratch screen window? So we have block pane, script area, stage, sprites, current sprite info, sprite list and background. So let's see all the components one by one. Block pane contains different categories, that is each category have different script blocks. You will find in block pane there are different category and each category have different script blocks. Script blocks can be drag and drop to the script block, and with the use of script you can just program your script, you can arrange your script and use the sprite movement and control. Next we have script area. So it is an area where blocks from the block palette are placed to write a script. To program you need to write a script, and for that where to write the script? In script area. You can write your script in the script area. It is an area where blocks from the blocks palette are placed. Just drag and drop the blocks and you can write your own script. Third, stage. So stage is the space where animation is executed. When you have written your script and execute your program, so this is the area where animation is executed, where program runs, and it is divided into XY grid and the middle coordinate is 0 0. So the stage is divided into an XY grid and the middle coordinate has the value 0 0. Sprite. So what is a sprite? A sprite is a small graphic object. It can be any object. So a sprite is a small graphic object that moves independently around the stage and it can produce animation effect. So it can be used to produce animation effect. Sprite can be any object. By default you will find a single cat sprite is always in a new project. When you open Scratch, there is a cat always available, that is the by default sprite. You can add your own sprite there. You can import, edit and select import your own sprite. Next we have current sprite info. In this component you will find it contains the current selected sprite coordinates, that is the location, that is XY position. You will find there it shows the exact position of the sprite on the stage, and it contains sprite name also. You can type the sprite name and it will show the sprite name. You will find your sprite name in current sprite info. And sprite display toggle option also. Sprite current size and current direction is also here. You can see the current size of your sprite and current direction of your sprite in current sprite info. Next we have sprite list. In this component you will find if you have import or export the sprite, new sprite, it will show all your used sprites, and you can find the duplicate and delete option also. Duplicate will create a copy of your sprite on the stage and delete a sprite from the stage by using the delete option. So these all the options will present in sprite list. Next we have the background. You can change the background of your animation or your stories in this option. Just changing of background has some step. Just follow these steps to change the background. Click on background icon and then select a background from the background tab. You can just select your desired background from background tab, and now just click on the selected background icon to edit the background.